Good morning. You've asked some great questions. So let's go ahead and take these one by one. First of all, you know that you are almost done with your website. Congratulations. But you're wondering what a file cabinet page is supposed to be. All right, let's go to Google Sites and let's select a sample course. And what you'll do is, in order to create a file cabinet page, you're going to come up here to create a new page. Click on that icon. You're going to give your file cabinet an appropriate name. Let's say that you were uploading quizzes. Let's entitle this quizzes. Then come down here and left click on those arrows, and you're going to see a couple of options. This is the type of page that you're creating. So for this particular page, we're going to create a file cabinet. So left click on file cabinet, and you get to determine where you're going to place that. So in other words, is this going to be one of the main pages, or do you want to put this underneath another heading? Anyway, we'll go ahead and put it at the top level for right now, and I'll show you what that means in just a second. So let's go up here and create your file cabinet page. Okay, so here is your file cabinet page. See the title here, and you also see it over on the left-hand side. And when it said top level, that just meant it was one of these main headings. If you would have chosen another one of those, it could have been underneath one of the main headings, like Quizlet number 1, Quizlet number 2, etc. All right, you're going to notice for the rubric for this file cabinet page, it says create a file cabinet page with an appropriate title. Check, we have that, quizzes, and upload at least one file. Okay. So what we'll do, let's get back to our original page. All right, to add a file, you're going to come in here and press Add File. And you can upload any file you'd like. If it's something that you'll be using in the future, that kind of gives you a head start, so you're welcome to do that. But we're not going to grade you on which file you upload. Just we're trying to give you a head start on creating your own file cabinet for future uses. Okay, once you're done with that, you'll see the file appear down below. And you're also welcome to make any other changes you'd like to in order to get a head start on your own class webpage, but for seminary it sounded like. But let's see, anything else? With an appropriate title, upload one file. Page should be on an appropriate navigation level. Top level pages we already covered. Okay, so once you have that uploaded, you are set and you get full marks. All right, you asked another question. You expect what would you like to see? Hopefully we've just covered that. If you have any other questions beyond what we said, just let me know. You want to see another website. All right, I can see why that would be confusing. Let's go back to the rubric to see what it's saying. It says create at least one additional web page with an appropriate title and content. The new page should be on an appropriate navigation level, top page or sub page. All right, let's come up here. Let's go to the home. All we're saying is that we're going to create a new page, but we want you to create this time a web page here. So let's say we had homework. You want to create a web page with homework. We're going to put that as one of the main choices, the top level, in other words. Let's create that. And that we've asked that you put appropriate content in here. All we're saying is that you can fulfill that requirement. You can do whatever you'd like to, basically, in addition to the requirements here. But to fulfill that requirement, you can do some of these other things, like add an image from a URL, relevant Google Doc, etc. So if you just fill this page in a way that is useful to you, then you will have created a new web page. That's what we're referencing, because like you're saying, you just have one seminary class, so that's all you need. All right, I hope that answered your questions, and if you have any additional questions, just let us know.